Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am Miss Darshna and I will teach you English and grammar. So children, today we will see Unit 1, Chapter 2, The Wonderful Waste. Before start this lesson, let's see some examples. As you can see in the picture, these waste bottles are used in a creative way and make a useful thing. So students, the story of today's chapter is also about this waste management. So let's start our chapter, The Wonderful Waste. Once the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. Children, have you seen a palace? Palace is a huge or a big house of king. These are the examples of palace. Students, do you know where is Travancore situated? Travancore is in the state of Kerala. In the afternoon, before the dinner, the Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey the dishes that had been prepared for the feast. So during afternoon, Maharaja went in the kitchen to see the arrangement about the dishes. When he entered to the kitchen, he saw a basket full of scraps. When Maharaja went in the kitchen, he saw the basket full of scraps. What are you going to do with those vegetable scraps? He asked the cook, pointing to the basket scraps near the cook. He asked to the cook that what are you going to do with these scraps? The cook replied, they are waste. We will throw them away. Cook said, it is the waste, so we will throw away. You cannot waste all these bits and pieces of vegetables. Find a way to use them. The Maharaja commanded sternly and walked away. Maharaja said to the cook, you cannot throw anything in the dustbin. You have to use these vegetable scraps and find a way how to use them. The cook was in a fix and kept staring at the vegetable scraps for some time. The cook thought and thought, kept staring at the vegetable scraps for some time. He saw vegetable scraps and he was thinking of an idea how to use the vegetable scraps and make a new dish. Suddenly, an idea flashed across his mind. He took all the vegetable bits and washed them and cleaned them very well. Then he cut them into long strips. He put them in a huge pot and placed it on a fire to cook. Next, he ground some fresh coconut, green chilies and garlic together. He added this paste and some salt to the cooking vegetable. The tempting smell started coming from the pot. Due to this addition, a tempting smell started to come from the pot. Now he whipped some curd and added it to the curry. He also poured a few spoonfuls of coconut oil and decorated the dish with curry leaves. Have you seen the curry leaves? You can see in the picture the curd, coconut oil and curry leaves also. So after putting the paste, he put curd, coconut oil and with the curry leaves he decorated the dish. Lo and behold, the new dish was ready. The cook served this dish to the guest that evening. Everyone was eager to know the name of the new dish. The cook thought and thought. Then a name came to his mind. So that day, that evening, cook have served the new dish from the vegetable scraps he had prepared, and all the guests were eager to know about the name. But the cook was thinking that what should be the name of the new dish. Then a new name came in his mind. Avial. He named it Avial. Avial became famous all over Kerala and is now one of the dishes in a traditional Kerala feast. And imagine, it all came from a basket of waste. So nowadays also Avial is the famous dish. It is known about the Kerala's traditional feast dish, and you just imagine that it all came from the basket of waste. So children, we can make many creative things with the waste. This was the story of the chapter how the cook made a tasty dish that became a traditional feast of Kerala with pieces of vegetables. So students, we can also make many creative things with the waste. Waste materials can be used at home to make creative thing, and they can be reused in our house. Let's see some examples. Pencil shaves. As you are shaving your pencils, and the shaves you are throwing to the dustbin. So instead of throwing in the dustbin, you can use the pencil shaves this way, and you can prepare a nice and beautiful craft work. Ice cream sticks. Waste ice cream sticks you can use and prepare beautiful craft items. Waste papers. You can use waste papers and make it a beautiful art pieces. Waste bottles. Some waste bottles you can use and make it in a useful way. So students, what do we learn from this story? Reuse, reduce and recycle. So children, so many things we can use, and we can reuse that, and we can make a beautiful and useful thing. So I am going to give you a project work. Prepare one item best out of waste. Children, you have to use the waste thing in a creative manner and make a beautiful, useful thing, and that you can use at your home also. So children, we will see about this chapter more things like meanings and question answers in the next session. Thank you.